Hello everyone and welcome back to another edition of the fighting game. So we have made a couple updates. So there's a problem with the split screen a minute ago, but we'll get into that. So here in the fighting map, this to show you what's been updated. This is the level blueprint. So here you get your uh, level camera with level 1, or not level 1 with your first character. And then you use that new camera. And now adding a second player, we add a local player with the ID of 1 because the regular controller is at 0. You promote this to a variable to be able to play as this character. You spawn this actor, which is the same as this, but as your main character, but then you're doing things to change it up. You add a boolean to be player 2 on the main character, and we refresh this so we can tell this is player 2. Hey, come on, update. Ugh, okay, sorry guys. Okay, so then you got this one. This is your location rotation of scale of your second player. So we added a player start, got the exact position, put it all in here. And then off the spawn actor, you want to possess it as player 2, and that's what this is for. Okay, so then we had to do the coding for the um, character itself. First, we had to make a different control set for player 2, so we had to make a move player 2. The move on the regular is A and D to move for main player, as you can see. For player 2, we made it left and right on the mouse key, or not the mouse keys, the keyboard keys, left and right. So that leads us here to this part. First, you want to make a custom event, move player 2, make a float axis value to plug in here. You want your movement and then the world direction. The X is the way they're going, left to right, so that is the direction we put. And then here for your move player, you want your input action events for input action of what we created there. For player 2, if it is player 2, you want to move player 2, right? If that's true. If it's not valid, you want to get your player 2 object reference, cast it to your player, set your player, and then move your player. So that's how all that works. Now, there's still some problems that we still have to deal with for the um, extras, which we will deal with that, but this is where we're at now. As you can see, we got a little bit of a color differential, so you can see, and we have that extra character, which we weren't expecting, but we will figure that out, though. We're not quite there, but as you can see, I can move left or right with A and D, and then this is with left and right. So everything is possessing the one character, and the other ones are just standing idle for now. But we will fix that. Now to show you as to why the color changed for player 2, here's the thing there. In the construction script before you even start playing, it doesn't really show you because we don't have the characters just dropped in the map, but we would if there was 2. But anyway, if this is player 2, it says change color, and then you set the sprite, which is the color of the character, and then change the color to whatever color you want. So that's all that, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We'll see y'all on the next one.